In the mid-20th century, the Constitution was amended several times to make revisions to the presidential election procedure. The 20th Amendment of 1933 moved the inauguration date from March 4th to January 20th. The argument being that improved travel and communications technology reduced the desirability of a lengthy period between the election and the inauguration. The 20th Amendment clarified that if the president-elect died between the election and the inauguration, then the vice president-elect would become president. The amendment was formally ratified on January 23, 1933. Less than a month later, on February 15th, President-elect Franklin D. Roosevelt narrowly avoided assassination in Miami, Florida. Per the new 20th Amendment, had Roosevelt died before assuming the presidency on March 4th, his vice president-elect, John Nance Garner, would have become president. The 20th Amendment also required Congress to pass legislation to clarify the order of presidential succession, should a disputed election not be resolved by the January 20th inauguration date. This has not happened to date in American history. For example, Vice President Gore conceded the disputed 2000 election to Governor George W. Bush on December 13, 2000, just over a month before the inauguration. But had that election not been resolved by January 20, 2001, then the Presidential Succession Act would have determined who would serve as president until the election was resolved. As the third person in line for the presidency is the Speaker of the House, per the Presidential Succession Act of 1947, Speaker Dennis Hastert would have likely served as acting president until the election was resolved.